Okay, so the baby's starting to fuss. So now you can hear the baby breathing. Oh, and it's probably too quiet to hear, but it just went, "Bleh." And that was the burp, and now she stopped.
And don't forget the diaper on your shoulder.
The diaper, oh, yes, the burp rag on your shoulder, just in case they spit up. That's a really, really good point. Okay, so what have we done so far? Feeding, changing, burping. Let's do rocking next.